In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Finance dark mode. If you spend time tracking markets at night or just prefer a softer look, switching Google Finance to a dark theme can make a big difference. We'll do this by using a browser extension which is quick, free, and doesn't require changing your system settings. Start by heading to your browser's search bar. This is the address field at the top of your window where you normally type website addresses or search terms. In that bar, type Chrome extensions and press enter. If you're not using Chrome, the idea is the same. Search for the add-on store for your browser. You could search for Firefox extensions or Microsoft Edge extensions, depending on what you use. We're looking for the official extension marketplace for your browser so you can install a trusted tool. From the search results, click the link that takes you to the extensions page of the Chrome Web Store. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a clean layout with a search box at the top and a catalog of extensions below. Using the store's search box, type dark theme for Google and hit enter. You'll see several options and many will mention applying a dark mode to Google sites, including Google Finance. Click on the extension that best matches the description. Before you install, take a quick look at the star rating, the number of users, and the permissions it requests. Higher ratings and a large user base are good signs, and permissions should make sense for a theme extension. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will appear to make sure you want to proceed. Click Add Extension to finish the installation. Your browser will download the extension and enable it automatically. You might see a brief message confirming that it's been added. Now open Google Finance or refresh the tab if it's already open. The site should switch to a darker palette right away, reducing glare and making charts and watch lists easier on your eyes. If you don't see changes immediately, give the page a quick reload. Most dark theme extensions also include a simple toggle, so you can turn the effect on or off without removing anything. If you're evaluating a few options, you can disable one and try another until you find the look you prefer. That's it. With just a quick visit to your browser's extension store and a single install, you've brought dark mode to Google Finance for a more comfortable viewing experience.